It is 1:15 p.m. Monday afternoon, September 9th, 2024, Monte Vista, Colorado. We're looking at the Colorado Pacific Rio Grande Railroad freight just arrived from Alamosa, Colorado. He's dropping off some covered hoppers here in Monte Vista. This is the interchange with the San Luis Central Railroad. We're looking in this distance, the beginning of the San Luis Central Railroad, and you're looking at 5 empty tank cars that the San Luis Central Railroad brought earlier from the other north end of the line, 13 miles north of here from Center, Colorado. They went to Center, Colorado loaded with nitrogen fertilizer, and this Colorado Pacific Rio Grande freight is going to pick them up and take them to Alamosa. Then today, and he's earlier today gone south from Alamosa to Antonito, Colorado, and probably picked up some